In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send image with spoiler in Telegram. This is perfect when you want to share a photo or video without revealing it right away. Great for surprises, plot twists, or anything you'd rather people choose to uncover. The process is quick, and it works on both mobile and desktop with the same simple flow. Start by opening Telegram on your phone or your computer. Once you are in, open any chat, group, or channel where you want to send the media. This could be a one-on-one conversation, a busy community, or your own saved messages if you are just testing things out. At the bottom of the chat, tap the paperclip icon. That's the attachment button. It opens your media picker so you can grab photos or videos from your gallery or camera roll, or from your files on desktop. Select the image or video you want to send. You'll be taken to a preview screen where you can make last-minute adjustments before it goes out. On the preview screen, look for the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Tap that to open additional options from the list. Choose Hide with Spoiler. The moment you apply this option, Telegram prepares your media to be sent with a blur and a subtle shimmering effect. This doesn't alter your original file. It simply adds a protective layer, so the content is concealed in the chat until someone decides to reveal it. Before you send, give the preview a quick glance to make sure you pick the right file. When you are ready, tap the send button. Your image or video will appear in the conversation as blurred, clearly marked with that shimmering overlay. Recipients can tap it when they're ready, and the blur will lift so they can view the media. Until they do, the content stays hidden, which helps avoid accidental spoilers or surprising someone at the wrong moment. A few helpful notes as you use this feature. Applying a spoiler doesn't change the quality or size of your media. It only controls how it's displayed in the chat. If you decide not to hide it after all, you can return to the menu on the preview screen and remove the spoiler before sending. And because this feature is native to Telegram, it works consistently across devices, so everyone in the chat gets the same spoiler experience. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.